Hi Geminis, welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be from July 15th to the 31st for you. So, as you can see, like I usually do, this is going to be about what's going on with you, and basis that, I'm going to be looking at what's coming ahead for you in the next 15 days. Um, and this is while you're watching this, please remember this is general, so it may or may not resonate with you. So please take what resonates and leave what does not. All right. So I will be looking at first what is going on with you. All right. Also, a quick announcement, if you are interested in crystals, then I've started a new page on Instagram where you can have a look at the info or whatever you want to know about crystal healing, semi precious stones. There's a lot happening there, so you can have a look. The link is there in the description box. It is Mishi Blue underscore merchandise, so you can check it out on Instagram. All right. So let's begin. Let's see what's going on with you, Geminis. I think there's a lot that you want to say because I've started doing candle flame readings, so the flame is flickering in the upward direction. There's a lot that you want to say. Let's see what's going on with you currently, Gemini. Ten of Cups, Page of Cups, Six of Swords. Okay. Knight of Cups, I'll take this. So I can see here from these cards that you want a fulfillment. You want something that gives you satisfaction from within. And somewhere you already know what it is, what gives you satisfaction from inside, what makes you feel nice from inside, what gives you the emotional satisfaction that you've been looking for. You know the direction and you want to move in that direction. You know it. I can see it from the cards. See, this Ten of Cups card is telling me that the main goal is for you to attain the fulfillment that you've always been seeking. All right. So I see from here that you are moving in the right path. You're starting small, but eventually you want to grow here. Okay. This could be a career path or this could be a relationship. Whatever it is, you would know. Okay. Let me clarify the Six of Swords here. The Hermit and the Emperor. Okay, so you've thought about this situation quite a bit. Maybe it was initially very confusing, but now you have the clarity. You're sure that this is what you want. Okay, and you really want to pursue this with a lot of desire and determination. This I can see because I have the Emperor. You have kind of understood what gives you happiness somewhere. Okay, so if this resonated, let's see what can you expect in the next 15 days, which is July 15th to the 31st. What can you expect in these 15 days? What can you expect? The World, Nine of Cups, the Empress, and the Page of Wands. Okay, nice energy. See, if there was some confusion, that is coming to an end. Okay, you are getting closer to what you think is fulfillment for you. So here I see the vision that yes, this is what I want, and in these 15 days, I see you getting closer to the vision. Okay, this could be about a person or whoever you feel that your happiness is kind of attached to, someone who reminds you of your mother in a way or something like that. I don't know. But yes, you are very passionate about this. You have a very nice, fun loving energy around it. You feel happy about it. Okay, with the World, Nine of Cups, the Empress, and the Page of Wands, I see that something is falling into place slowly. All right, like, I mean, and look at the flame again. So, yes, this is what you've been feeling as well. You probably wanted to put this in line, as in, like, put certain things in order, and now that order is slowly setting in for you, Gemini. You could be reaching a cycle completion in your life or something in terms of, you know, something that wasn't working out is about to work out. That's what I pick up for you. Okay, something that was probably not being the way it is supposed to be, now it will be. Because whatever you were going through in that period was supposed to be in that way, but now it's falling into place. Things are falling in alignment and it is for your highest good. Okay, so I see this whole thing changing for your betterment. So, next 15 days look very promising in terms of what's coming ahead for you and what should you do, because I feel that you've taken the right steps, you've done the right things to come to this point, so it's a good energy. Okay, now let me just see what you need to be careful about. Oh no, not this. Let me use the Dark Tarot. What do you need to be careful about? Queen of Pentacles. Some figure, somebody who can probably chain you. Somebody who is not liking your happiness. Yeah, somebody who wants to cage you or hold on to you very tightly. This is a person you need to be very careful about and just walk free from this person. Now, you would know who this person is. Somebody is trying to lure you or bog you down with certain of some. It's a lure. It's all a facade, by the way. This is not true. If someone's trying to give you an offer or show something to you, it's not true. It's not how it looks. So be careful about that. That's what I'm seeing here, Gemini, for you. Okay? And let's finally see the advice for you in these 15 days. What is the advice for you? The Tribe and Go the Distance. Okay, so I think you have encountered a soulmate or you met someone who's your soul tribe, okay? Somebody who's very much like you, someone who understands you. You should move in that direction. I think you have a choice, Gemini, like your zodiac, basically. So the point is, you should move in the direction of this person, the person that we just read about, not the other person who is making commitments to you, who is showing a picture to you. It is not true. Okay? This other person who you feel connected to emotionally is the person you're supposed to go towards. I don't know how many of you are resonating with me, but whoever it is, you would know. So the advice to you is go the distance in terms of the person you feel a soul connection with. Okay, someone who's like triggering you or whatever it is from inside, you would know it. You would know it. Okay, Gemini, so that's what I have for you. I hope this resonates and this gave you the clarity that you're seeking. You can also follow me on Instagram for, you can also follow me on Instagram for daily 3 card readings. It's Mishi Blue Tarot _official. The link is there in the description, so you can check that out. And private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. I hope this helps. Take care. Bye.